can see that you're the pawn in my game. Remember the terror or remember my name.
So you took the grandmaster of all things, running first then crawling when the timer takes. It's not over till the choir sings and there's no sign.